Today I'm going to show you how to work a brioche purled right slanting 3 to 3 star stitch. While holding the working yarn to the back, I'm going to slip stitch 1 with its yarn over shawl knitwise. I'm going to slip stitch 2 knitwise. Then I'm going to slip these 2 stitches together through the front loops back to the left needle. So I'm going to insert my left needle from right to left into the front loops of those 2 stitches and put them back on the left needle. Now I'm going to brioche purl 3 stitches together. So insert my right needle purlwise into those 3 stitches, purl, yarn over, and purl. And that is the brioche purled right slanting 3 to 3 star stitch.